Alright, good evening. Vice Forecaster JD Rat back with you. And Breaking Weather Center, we just have another tornado warning to be issued again. So this tornado warning that goes into effect into, looks like, I'll check the time here. So let's go right to the radar. Tornado warning. This is down here for Paducah and Texas area, Texas. So this storm looks like it got expired, but it's still capable of producing up to 2-inch hail. So we'll pull up velocity. Our Wicklet thing to just show for hail. Yeah, goodness gracious, look at that, 2.5. That is some pretty large hail with this tornado. If you're in this, get centered and get covered. Still showing me signs of some pretty decent weak sheared that gets going. So you definitely had the potentially have a rotating storm there, a pretty decent couplet. And we do have another tornado warning up here, and we'll switch back onto our radar, high resolution radar, north central Wheeler County and north central Texas, eastern Gray County, and the Plaham, Texas, north central Roberts County, and the Plaham, Texas, south central Hemphill County, and the Plaham, Texas area into 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. At 6:32, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near Kendallville, or 21 miles southwest of Rapapapa, moving at 40 miles an hour. So what we got, a tornado and golf ball size hail. A weather spotter has confirmed. Weather spotter has reported a funnel cloud with this. So definitely get centered and get covered again. You're under a tornado warning, and this one goes into effect through 7:30. So definitely get centered and get covered, because already a spotter has confirmed a funnel cloud with this storm. So that means we do have a tornado could have formed with this storm at any time. So definitely get centered and get covered. There is some more weak rotation with this severe thunderstorm warning, so we could get another spin up. With any of these storms, there is that risk, and I've been watching these all day long, that any of these storms today could get a spin to it, and it doesn't take much shear to get stuff going. So this is a tornado warning, and also there's some shear right over here by White Deer area. That storm is capable of producing winds up to 70 miles per hour with hail the size of ping pong. So that's really going to cause some problems. Right over here, man, it's some very large hail. And look at here. Goodness. Gosh. Up to 2-inch hail. So just think about it. Going online, looking at 2-inch hail. That would be very large. That could cause some problems. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes in effect into about 7. Looks like this one goes in effect through 8 p.m. And this storm over here is giving me a little trouble, because we already had a brief touchdown again of a weak tornado at 6:26. So, yeah, we're starting to get storms like these are producing some tornadic weather. So we definitely got to keep that in mind. Severe thunderstorm warning in place. This goes through about... so we're starting to get some more large hail. These are dangerous storms, 70 miles of wind gusts, up to inch of hail. So with some of these storms, so we definitely got to keep that in mind. The tornado threat is still there, but it's just a radar indicated tornado. Doesn't mean we have a confirmed report of a tornado on the ground right now. It's just where rotation has been detected, and you get all these storms down here with winds up to 60 miles an hour. And we definitely got to have to watch. Yeah, at 7:45, some of these storms still continuing to produce tornadoes and stuff. So hail is going to be a biggest concern tonight. We still have that tornado watch to 9 and even 10 o'clock. We think the severe weather threat would die down by then. So right now we're still day 1. They already downgraded to a slight risk. So that is some fantastic news. So right now we're just in a slight risk. So we'll check the tornado threat and we'll see what we're in. It's still 5%. It's still the hail threat's a little down a little bit, so we're getting there. So the severe weather risk could actually continue to go down. You know, we'll have to see how fast these supercells continue to go. And tomorrow, and we still have to watch. You know, these storm systems are coming in. We still have to watch that. So tornado warning continue. We got a new circulation trying to form over here by this tornado warning. Still shows me signs as the storm kind of weakening. But this storm over here is a pretty decent supercell. See, it's showing up to 3.25. So that is very large hail. Goodness. So we're starting to get some more weak rotation right there. That could probably spin up another tornado. Some weak rotation. And that is some very large hail what we got here. So we could be getting some more large hail from some of these storms. And I think the Weather Service decided just to keep the severe thunderstorm warning to 8 p.m. At 7:10, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Franklin to 8 miles south of northeast at Paducah down there in Texas, moving at 40 miles an hour. So what we expect, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per wind. So this storm over here is giving me signs of some weak rotation. So we could be getting another brief tornado spin up. So let's take a look here and back out. You can see that storm really could have some more rotation with it. So we could be going through another tornado warning. And I think part of a tornado watch will expire by 9 p.m. I mean, that'll be good news. This up here, we gotta have to watch. But White Boar area, that's where we're starting to get some more strong winds and some sheared. I'd love to take a look at the ectotops. Now, this just tells you how many thousand feet these are. And yeah, goodness. Yeah, up to 50,000 feet. So this just tells you how far they can go up to. These storms are potent today. They produce lots of wind, and see they got a lot of wind shear to work with these. So right now I'm going to switch radars. Kind of look over here. So that's too close. A little bit of debris ball right there, so that just tells me we got some debris with this storm. So definitely you want to seek shelter. Put an air mattress between you. That's between you. Impossible. Put a helmet on you. I mean, this storm down here, I mean, I'm going to switch back, has a very large hail core with it. Very large. Once you see these dark color whites, these white dots, that is very large hail. That's just, this could break windows. I mean, this is a severe thunderstorm warning, but I'm afraid some of these could get upgraded to a tornado warning. And that's why that one storm have at 6:29 have a tornado touchdown. So that's what we have to watch. Only one tornado warning in place. We'll probably get ready to send you back just in a second. But I'm afraid this storm over here is going to give me a sign of some big signs rotation. Check rainfall totals. We could be concerned with some flash flooding later. It's because we do have that training in different areas and very heavy, checking potentially of ectotops. Yeah, up to 4, very high. So if these storms are very strong enough, and we could be dealing with some stronger storms. So right now, tornado warning continues about 7:30. And this is just a radar indicated with tornado and quarter-size hail. And even the hail threat is dropped down on this tornado. So we might send things back. Looking at the hail count, this storm looks like it's trying to recycle itself again. So we could be getting another tornado warning that's trying to get going over here too. So this is a new one, but we might have to watch. It's trying to tight inside of that. We already had a tornado touchdown with that. And severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for 60 miles of wind gust. And just got a new warning in place. That's not even a tornado warning, but it is a severe thunderstorm warning. And this storm is capable of probably producing some hail up the size of quarters again, with winds up to 60 miles for Crockett County down there in parts of the Texas area. So we're going to have to watch that also too. On the leading edge of that, there just shows quarter-size hail of that storm. That doesn't look intense what we had, but still, something we're going to have to watch. Between that, we could get a spin-up tornado. Just going to have to watch this to see if this thing circulates any. So right now, we only got that one tornado warning in place. This tornado warning runs in effect. It looks like it had 3 of those circulations. We could be getting a spin up right over here by Door Valley area. We're going to have to watch that one and see if this tornado warning goes into effect through about 7:30. If you live in it, take cover. Go to the lowest floor of your home. This storm over here does have the potentially of a spinning, maybe some rotation of it with it, and it really could drop some very large hail with it too. 1.75 now, so that's pretty decent. Alright, we just going to have to stay with you, I think, because no, that was just a button I hit. Or maybe the tornado warning has got canceled, or maybe got added in. Let me see. If that got added, we're probably going to have to stay with it. But I think it has to update. My phone and just see if it got re-added. No, just had to update. So we're getting some storms continuing down here in Texas. So the 745. So the tornado warning has got canceled. Just right now, we want to continue to watch this. If this storm was circling up and has a little hook with that, I'm afraid we'll be back on air just in a little bit of that, because it's still getting some strong rotation with it. And the Weather Service decided to probably go with a tornado warning with that storm if it would continue. So we will continue to watch that, and the hail looks very large with that. So yeah, so that's the rotation marker. So we will continue to keep you updated. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you. We will continue to post things in the Breaking Weather Center tonight to keep you informed, and we'll break in as we need to.